Hello, what's your name?
My name is Hui.
How do you spell your name?
I oh
Mhm.
it,
How old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
How are you today?
I'm good.
What time do you get up?
Um, I get up sick a lot.
What food do you like?
I like chicken pizza.
Do you like snorkeling?
No, I don't.
What is your favorite water sport?
I like swimming and diving
Why do you like swimming and diving?
because it is funny.
Is it easy or difficult to learn? Is it easy or difficult to learn? Where do you usually do it? Where? Where do you swim? Who do you usually do it with? I do it with my.
I I usually I usually with my friends.
Very good. Next. Which one is different?
I live for car because it implies parent part a and 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 like like bird cat cannot
Okay. Which one is different?
live with different uh, penguin because it kangaroo bear rabbit is is brown
Very good.
uh, bird 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 is penguin is different
Okay. This one. Which one is different?
different Victor Victor free uh, bị Victor one Victor two Victor three is circle bị bird is bird is Victor three the feeding uh,
Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.